In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove hyperlink from Outlook document. If you've ever had text turn blue and underlined when you don't want it to be clickable, this will show you exactly how to turn that link back into plain text while keeping the wording intact. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search page. In the search box, type Outlook, then press Enter. From the results, click the official Outlook website to open Outlook on the web. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your mailbox. Once Outlook loads, make sure you're in your inbox so you can see your messages. Now, open the email that contains the hyperlink you want to remove. This might be a message you're composing or editing, such as a draft, a reply, or a forward. You're looking for the text that appears as a link, typically blue and underlined. Next, highlight the exact text that's linked. Click and drag over the words so they're selected. This tells Outlook precisely which hyperlink you want to remove. With the text highlighted, look at the Formatting Toolbar. You'll see the hyperlink icon, which usually looks like a small chain link. Don't click the icon itself. Instead, click the small drop-down arrow right next to it. That arrow opens the link options for the selected text. In the menu that appears, choose Remove Hyperlink. The link is immediately stripped from the selected text, leaving the wording in place. You should see the underline and the blue color disappear, confirming that the text is no longer clickable. If you don't see the hyperlink options right away, try expanding the formatting menu using the More Formatting or three-dot icon. Outlook sometimes hides extra tools on smaller screens. Also, make sure you've actually selected the linked text. If nothing is highlighted, the Remove option won't appear. And if the message is in a view where you can't edit it, switch to composing or replying so the Formatting Toolbar is active. After removing the link, give the message a quick review to ensure only the intended text was changed. The content should read the same as before, just without the clickable link. When everything looks good, you can continue composing or send your message as usual. That's all there is to it. You searched for Outlook, opened your inbox, selected the message, highlighted the linked text, used the drop-down next to the hyperlink icon, and clicked Remove Hyperlink. Simple, clean, and no unwanted links cluttering your email.